Hello everyone, my name is Shangur and today we will start with 01 abstract problem. It is a thief problem in which we are given n articles with their weights and their prices. I have a bag with me and I have to carry those articles such that they fit or stay under my carrying capacity and has maximum prices or values. Suppose here's a thief. I'm not a thief. Suppose here's a thief and have a bag with me with W weight capacity. After that, the bag will tone down. Okay. I have n articles and I have their weights, their prices. I am to carry some articles out of them such that their total weight stay under the capacity of my bag and their prices to be maximized so that I can maximize my profit. Okay. Suppose I am given with this data. I have 5 articles, so n equals to 5. This means number of articles is 5 given to me or I have, and I have these weights and these values of those articles, and say my carrying capacity is 7. That may be kg or pound, not an issue. Now the problem is, if I took these two, then they are simply 7 kg, but my profit is 29. Can I have more profit? Yes, I can have. I can have these two 75 profit in 7 kg only. So how to choose those articles so that my profit is maximized? This is the problem. Okay. So now we will start with a solution and then I'll make you understand the approach. Okay. So here is 6 rows and 8 columns. I will start with dash and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and here 2, 5, 1, 3 and 4. Now what I did, I made a 2D matrix with number of articles plus 1 equals to number of rows and weight capacity plus 1 equals to number of columns. Okay. Now what I am to do, I am to maximize the profit. So I'll fill with them the numbers such that as I go downwards, all above weights I have included. Okay. These are weights I am carrying. Okay. These. And these are carrying capacity of the bag. I'll make you understand why I write this term. When I have no weight, so I will not get any profit, simply 0. Okay. This is just a starting case. And if I have 0 carrying capacity, then I cannot have any profit. Simple. Now game begins. When I have 2 weight to carry, can I put that in a bag with 1 capacity? No. So again no profit. But when bag has capacity of 2 and I have article of weight 2, so I can carry that in my bag. So I'll have a profit of 15. Okay. In this problem, because we are carrying these articles, so they are not available in infinite number. They are just 1. So there is only 1 article with weight 2 and profit 15. Only 1 article with weight 5 and value 14. 1 article with weight 1 and value 10. Okay. So when I have 2 kg or 2 pound article with 2 kg or 2 pound carrying capacity, so I can store a profit of 15 as capacity increases. But because there is only one article with 2 kg weight, my profit will stay 15. That cannot exceed 15 because I have just one article and that's stored here. Okay. Now coming to this, when I have 1 kg capacity, can I store this? No, it has weight 5. I cannot store this. When I have capacity 2, I can store 15 value by this weight, because when we move down, we can store all above articles. Okay, when we move down, we can store all above articles. So when the weight of article is 5 and capacity is 2, I can store only this one. Why I will store 0? For capacity 2, out of these two articles, I can choose this one with this profit. So here it is. Capacity is 3, again 15 only. 4, 15 only. Now here's a game change. When capacity is 5, I have two choices. Either I carry this or I carry this. If I'll carry article with weight 2, I'll have profit of 15. Or I move 5 steps back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and add the profit of 5 kg article. That will give me the sum 14, and compare that to this. 15 is more because I have to maximize the profit. When I'm here, I'll say either 15 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 plus 14. Definitely out of 14 and 15, I'll put 15 here. When here is 15, I will check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is 15. So I can carry 15 profit when I reduce the weight capacity by 5. This means 5 kg is just extra storage that is not used. So I will put this plus 14 or just 15. Definitely this plus 14 is 29, which is more than 15. So I'll write 29. This means when I have capacity 7, I can put both of these articles to make my profit 29, because when this was the case, when the capacity was 2, I was storing 15 profit only, and with capacity 7, I can add this profit to the profit of 5 kg article to give me more profit. Move ahead. When I have 1, how much profit can I get with 1? 10. This or 10? Definitely 10. When I have 2, so which one should I carry? 15 or 0 plus 10? Definitely 15. When I have capacity of 3 kg, 15 or 1 back? 15 plus 10? 25 only. Because 15 plus 10, 25 is more than 15. So I will carry this. When I am here, I should carry 15 or 1 back plus 10. 25. That's 25 only. When I am here, either I should take 15 or I should take 1 back plus 10, 25. When I am here, either this one or 1 back plus 10, 25 only. When I am here, 29 or 1 back plus 10, 25. No, it should be 29. This means when I have these articles, I will get more profit of 29, because if I carry these two, I'll get profit of 25. If I'll carry these two, I'll get the profit of 24. But with these two, I'll get the profit of 29. So I will put this one. Okay. Here, without this, I'm getting more profit. So I just simply put this down. This means comparing this one and this minus weight of this plus profit of this. When I'm here, I can either put 10, I have no more choice, and capacity is 2, this cannot be considered, so again 15. When 3 is here, I can put 25 or 1, 2, 3, 0 plus 45. Definitely 0 plus 45 is more than 25. So I'll write 45. When capacity is 4, either I can write 25 or 1, 2, 3. 10 plus 45. 10 plus 45 is more than 25. So I'll write 10 plus 45, that's 55. When I have capacity of 5, either I should write 25 or 1, 2, 3. This means 15 plus 45. That's 60. 60 is more than 25. Okay. When I have capacity of 6, either I should take 25 or 1, 2, 3 plus 45. That's 70. 70 is more than 25. When I have capacity of 7, this or 1, 2, 3, 25 plus 45, 70. 70 is more than 29. So I can get a profit of 70 when I have these articles and these weight limits. Now, when talking about this, when here's one capacity and capacity is 2, can't change. In this, no change. Now, here is 4. Either I should take this or I should take 1, 2, 3, 4, 0 plus 30. That's 30. So I will choose 30 or 55. 55. Now, when capacity is 5, either I have to choose 60 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 plus 30, 40. I'll choose 60. When I'm here, either I'll choose 70 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 15 plus 30. That's 45. So I'll choose 70 only. 70 or 1, 2, 4, 45 plus 30. This is the maximum profit I can take within this carrying capacity and this number of articles with this data given to me. So now we will write down the conclusion we made with that problem. Okay. When for a particular column capacity was 0, the matrix with any row and this 0 capacity will store 0. I am talking about first column where capacity was 0, so all those blocks will store 0 only. When capacity is 0, then I cannot store any profit. When I am getting no weight, so there can't be any profit out of that. Thirdly, suppose here is a matrix with these local carrying capacities, C equals to 0, C equals to 1 and so on. Okay. And here is index 0, 1, 2, 3. Here is no weight. So actually the weight array starts from here like this, and the value at index 0 is the value corresponding to this. That was 2. When here is 1, that was corresponding to this, that was 5. So what I did, I checked whether these values are smaller than the capacity or larger than capacity. If the weight at index I minus 1, this is I, and I minus 1 stores the weight. So when weight at this is greater than C, this means local carrying capacity. The weight exceeds the carrying capacity, so I cannot store that. So I am to pull the value just of that block. So I will store M I C equals to M I minus 1 C. Now when weights I minus 1 is small than C, then what I am to do? I am to store in this. What I am to store? I am to store either just above 1 or above 1, remove the weight and added its profit. This means in this I will store maximum of this just above 1 or plus this means what I was doing, go just above, minus weights in columns and add the profit of this weight, profit of this weight. So this is the algorithm. If this or this occurs, then put 0. If this occurs, then put above 1 value, or if this occurs, put maximum of these two values. Okay, simple algorithm. Now we will write down the function corresponding to this algorithm. So the function returns an integer. Function name is maximum profit, and it takes 4 parameters. What can be those parameters? All parameters. What I need? Carrying capacity, an array of weights, an array of those values or prices, and an integer that tells number of articles or size of these arrays. Now in this function will return the last element of that 2D matrix. So I will return matrix name and C, because the matrix was of 0, 1, 2 up to n, not n minus 1. This was empty, and here we started the weights, so n, and here 0 capacity 1 up to carrying capacity. So NC, we return this. Okay, now we will make a 2D matrix with and C plus 1. Now what we have to do, we have to traverse through entire block this way. So 4, now if not J, this is C, local storage capacity. If I is equal to 0 or C is equal to 0, then M I small c equals to 0. Simple. Else, if weights at I minus 1 is less than equal to local capacity, then M I small c equals to maximum of just above 1 or above this back plus val I minus 1. Here's closing braces as well. Now, else, just one case left. When the weight is above the capacity, then what we are to do is, in this, store this. So I will make a 2D array, make nested for loop. If first row or first column is there, put 0. Else if the weight is less than or equal to capacity, then I have to choose just above 1 or above this back value plus value of this present weight. This means this. And thirdly, if the weight is greater than capacity, then I have to just copy paste above value. So else in this store above value and then return the last element and we'll get the maximum profit out of it. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more such algorithms and share the video. Thank you.